Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one Dogecoin Faucet website. This one is a wonderful, and this website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is from Dogecoin. This is a Dogecoin Faucet website. This is wonderful. If you want to sign up, this is the all form: name, password, email, gender, any country you're from, just click you want to carry Dogecoin address and click register. Okay, I going to log in my home account, okay, to show you how you can start earning. Okay, this website pay you in Satoshi, then you can convert your Satoshi to Dogecoin. Okay, this website is very wonderful, like past other websites I share with you in the past videos. Okay, just fill the capture like I love lamp. Okay, just click a roll. If you win any of this, you can I earn 50 BTC. Okay, I refresh I watch this one, add to my address. Okay, this one is very wonderful. You can go to BTC hats and you can watch BTC hats pay you in Satoshi. Okay, all of these watch and you can hear much more. And you can go to short links. You can visit the websites. Short links website pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, and you can go to your achievement, job, or CPU mining. Don't waste your time with CPU mining. Okay, this one is very hard, but every day you earn this much. Okay, this is too low. You can go to complete any offer you want. Complete offer, 8 offer is available. You can refer your friends and you can earn much more from your referral link. Okay, my referral is 2, but no one working at night. This is my own myself referring. Okay, if you want to withdraw, click withdraw. You can watch the minimum withdrawal. Okay, this much is the minimum withdrawal. If you work honestly every hour, you earn in 2 days this much, and you can withdraw. Okay, and this is all. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.